Now let's go to the Surgery tab. Here you can see all the surgeries your patient received at the VA Portland Healthcare System. Open the Surgery Cases folder on the upper left side of the screen by selecting the arrow next to Surgery to see all surgical or procedural cases completed. Select the arrow next to the procedure name and we'll open a series of notes corresponding to that procedure. Click on the note name and that'll appear on the right side of your screen. You can scroll through to read the details of the surgery or the nurse intraoperative report. Select the View menu, Icon Legend, and we can see what these little pictures next to the notes mean.